regarding this presentation on this book launch, I would like to go through what I will be talking about. As you all know, the title of the book is TV Journalism: An Introduction to Practices. I will discuss what is the main objective of writing the book, the different parts of the book, and what I think is the unique selling proposition of the book, which could help the marketer or publisher in the field of media studies and journalism studies. So this is the book cover page, TV Journalism, and the main objective of the book, so that the students here may get an idea as to what goes on behind the scenes in a television news organization. Another objective of the book is to simplify the language of television. Now, when students venture out into the field after their professional training course here, they do feel as I felt when I was initiated. Now, part 1 constitutes chapter 1, 2 and 3. Chapter 1 is about what is journalism, what is a news story, what are credible news source gathering and news reporting. This chapter deals with different aspects of reporting. It has research and background knowledge about what goes on into reporting. The chapter also deals with what is news, what is meant by news as a product, domain knowledge, and different beats of reporting like politics, business, entertainment, hard news and soft news reporting. Now, part 3 of the book is on news scripting, and here the chapters are divided into 2 chapters again, chapter 5 and chapter 6. Chapter 5 is about copywriting for television and news scripting. News scripting covers TV news writing mainly and what it means to write for television, how it differs from writing for print. Scripting also discusses about the structure and content of writing news, telling a story for television. It's a visual medium, so how audio-visual works together to actually script and tell a story. Important elements of TV scripting like writing in a sequence and writing for visuals have been included. Hard and soft news writing has been discussed in detail, how these differ, how writing for these 2 different forms varies. News scripting also discusses writing for different broadcast formats. Within television news there are different formats: headlines, packages, audio-visual, bite package. So I have discussed about how scripting is done for, say, anchors, for different reporters, and how scripting varies in each of these writing formats. A reporter would write something differently, an anchor would write something differently. Final chapter 9 is the conclusion. Now this chapter is mainly about constraints of television reporting, limitations on a television journalist, then ethical responsibility of a reporter or a journalist. It also discusses certain theoretical concepts like the theory of public sphere, which was actually made popular by Habermas. So I've discussed a little bit about theories and how, for example, public sphere talks about how media is a stage or a platform for different social and political events that go on around you. So how media is like a public process information within the society. Then of course, last but not the least, I've discussed pressures of time.